Aligning HR policies to strategic goals, for example, employee stability. To align human resource policies with strategic goals, organizations must move beyond generic business objectives to establish both vertical and horizontal linkage between human capital and organizational outcomes. The strategic alignment process. Aligning HR policies is a systematic process of translating business strategy into specific workforce behaviors through the following steps. Define clear strategic objectives. Business strategies are often vague. For example, increase productivity, leaving employees unsure of their roles. HR must work to state these goals so that the organization can measure its success and employees understand their specific contributions. Develop a strategy map. HR professionals should create a strategy map, a diagram of the organization's value chain, to identify critical goals and the performance drivers required to reach them. Identify HR deliverables. Once performance drivers are established, HR identifies the necessary strategic behaviors, deliverables, required from the workforce to support those drivers. Align HR architecture. The organization's HR architecture, including recruiting, training, and retention policies, must be intentionally designed to produce these specific deliverables. Example: achieving employee stability. The sources provide a specific example of this alignment in practice involving an organization that identifies a short research and development (R&D) cycle as a key performance driver for its strategy. 1. HR deliverable identification. HR determines that for the R&D cycle to be successful, they need employee stability, low turnover among the researchers. Policy alignment. To ensure this stability, HR designs policies such as market-leading rewards and clear career opportunities specifically for that talent pool. Measurement. HR develops a strategic HR measurement system to track this deliverable. For employee stability, this might involve defining stability, for example, voluntary turnover rates, and identifying senior staff, for example, those with 5+ years of experience, to monitor in a management dashboard. Key linkage types. Vertical linkage. This refers to the degree to which strategic HRM is consistent with other key organizational processes and contributes to the mission. Horizontal linkage. This is achieved when an organization implements a unified set of HR practices, staffing, rewards, development, that work together to elicit congruent behaviors from the workforce. Implementing practices in isolation is often counterproductive. For example, if a firm invests heavily in training high-potential individuals, it must simultaneously emphasize retention and competitive compensation to see a return. HR professional competencies. For alignment. Successful alignment requires HR professionals to demonstrate specific competencies. Strategic positioner. Thinking from the outside in by translating external business trends and customer expectations into internal strategic responses. HR innovator and integrator, melding disparate HR practices into unified solutions that solve business problems and ensuring the HR whole is more effective than the sum of its parts. Capability builder, auditing and building the organizational DNA, defining what the company is good at and known for to ensure the culture supports the strategy.